This is Quantum Ribbon Starter, a trend trading system built on a 5-layer adaptive EMA ribbon. If you want the core power of Quantum Ribbon Pro without the complexity, this is where you start. Same core engine, just with simpler controls and built-in presets that get you trading on day one. New to the channel? There's also Quantum Ribbon Lite, which is free. Link in description. Get comfortable with the ribbon basics first if you haven't used it before. If you've purchased Starter and you're watching this to learn how to use it, welcome. This video covers every feature. There's also an FAQ and setup guide on the product page. Let me show you what's inside. If you just want to get running, add Quantum Ribbon Starter to your chart. Go to Settings, find Trading Style, and pick the preset that matches how you trade: scalping, day trading, or swing trading. That's it. The system configures signal frequency, stop-loss method, stop distance, and take profit targets automatically. You'll see the ribbon on your chart, signals when conditions align, and a stats table tracking your trades. Rest of this video explains each part in detail. 5 weighted EMA cloud pairs showing trend strength, direction, and momentum in real time. Blue-teal means bullish, red-pink means bearish. When all 5 clouds align in one direction, you have a strong trend. When they're mixed, the market is choppy or transitioning. The ribbon isn't just visual, it drives the entire system. Signals, exits, candle colors, everything references ribbon state. Trend candle coloring reflects this automatically. 4 states based on how many clouds are aligned. One glance tells you what the market is doing. Signal generation is based on multiple confluences. All of them must align before a signal fires. Signal frequency controls how often signals appear. More signals gives you active trading with shorter cooldown between entries. Balanced is recommended for most traders. Fewer signals is selective, only the strongest setups. There's also ribbon bounce signals. Enable this, and the indicator looks for pullbacks to the ribbon followed by a bounce. Price dips into the ribbon, then crosses back above in a bullish trend. That's a long entry. In a bearish trend, price pushes above the ribbon, then crosses back below. That's a short entry. The indicator performs best in trending markets, and bounce signals help you time entries within those trends. 4 presets that configure the system for you. Scalping, optimized for quick trades on lower time frames. Fast signals, tight risk. Day trading, the middle ground for most traders. Balanced signals and risk management. Swing trading, for holding positions longer. Selective signals, wider stops, partial take profits enabled. Custom, full manual control. Adjust everything yourself. Pick a style and the system configures itself. If you want to tweak individual settings, switch to custom mode. One more preset to cover, QR mode. That one deserves its own section. QR mode is pure ribbon trading. Instead of fixed take profit targets, your exit is based on the ribbon itself. Stay in the trade as long as the trend holds. Exit when the ribbon shifts against you. Long position. You stay in while the ribbon remains bullish. When enough clouds flip bearish, the system exits automatically. Short position. Same logic, opposite direction. This lets you ride strong trends longer than fixed R targets would allow. A move that would hit 2R and close might run to 5R or 10R if the trend stays intact. You're still protected. Your stop loss is always in place. If you want to capture bigger moves and don't mind giving back some profit when trends reverse, QR mode is built for that. 2 stop-loss methods available. A TR adapts to market volatility. Tight, normal, or wide. Works well for scalping and faster trading. Swing places your stop at recent swing lows for longs, swing highs for shorts, with a buffer to avoid stop hunting. More structure-based. Works well for day trading and swing trading. QR mode uses ribbon exit by default, but you can also select it manually in custom mode. Partial take profits let you scale out in stages. TP1 closes 50%, TP2 closes 30%, final TP closes the remaining 20%. Lock in profits while letting winners run. Break-even stop moves your stop to entry after TP1 or TP2 hits. Your call when it triggers. Once you're in profit, you're protected. Enable SR auto detection, and the indicator automatically identifies key support and resistance levels. You'll see visual zones on your chart showing where price has reacted before. But it's not just visual. The indicator uses these levels to filter signals. Long signals only trigger near support. Short signals only trigger near resistance. No more buying into resistance or selling into support. 3 sensitivity options. Weak finds more levels, faster response. Normal is balanced. Strong only detects major swing points. Touch zone controls how close price needs to be to a level, anywhere from 0.1% to 5%. Tighter means more precision, fewer signals. Wider means more signals, less precision. The stats table shows real-time distance to the nearest key level. You always know how close you are to a key zone. Full control over how everything looks. Signal labels. Change colors and sizes for buy, sell, TP, and stop labels. Risk lines. Entry, stop loss, and take profit lines with custom colors and widths. Table. Background, text, border colors. Size options from tiny to large. Position it in any corner. Candle colors. 4 separate color pickers for strong bull, bear, and strong bear states. Show or hide elements as needed. Ribbon clouds, risk lines, stats table, trend candles. Full alert system built in. Entry alerts for long and short signals. Exit alerts for TP1, TP2, final target, stop loss, break-even moves, and ribbon exits. 2 ways to set it up. You can create individual alerts for specific events, just long entries or just stop losses, whatever you need. Or select any alert function call, and one alert covers everything: entries, exits, partial targets, all of it. Works with webhooks and bots if you want to automate execution. QR Starter is bundled with a backtester. Same logic, same settings, but runs as a strategy so you can see historical performance in TradingView's strategy tester. This is actually where you should start. Add the backtester to your chart, test different configurations, check the results. Win rate, profit factor, drawdown. Actual numbers before you risk real money. Once you find settings that work, transfer them to QR Starter for live trading. Test different presets. Compare scalping versus day trading versus swing trading on your market. Find what works before you trade it live. There's a backtester tutorial on the channel if you want a deeper walkthrough. This tool identifies setups based on historical price action and indicator logic. It doesn't guarantee future results. Backtest your settings. Manage your risk. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Access link is in the description. Drop a comment if you have questions about specific features.